So as you can see, we stepped it up a notch after that beautiful swim. Still cliff drift, but this time a premium. You know, on camp you take things up a notch gradually, and this is exactly what was done here. So like we say, camp is just for reflecting, clearing the mind, refocus, having beautiful conversation, playing games and so on. And basically, like we said, just clearing the mind, going into 2026, which is 2026. And we have already new jobs that will be loading coming soon with work that was done. Camping is all about hearing the beautiful sounds of nature and just enjoying the sounds of things, also even just a simple fire going.
So my name is Darren Tawame, and I'm having my whatever glass before this +1. Truffles, 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 truffles. Let's not kill ourselves now. We still have a run to do in the morning, in the AM. But we're doing things premium this time. Premium. Oh, for the goodness.
Unfortunately, due to copyright reasons, the music had to be cut out, but they were definitely listening to a mix.
Full video link in bio.